Hi guys, and welcome back for another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Stokes Fantasy Art deck. There are a few different Stokes branded decks, predominantly released by Bicycle, United States Playing Card Company, but we'll have a look at this one. So here we've got the tuck case, very cool fantasy sort of crying angel on the front here. You've got Stokes Fantasy Art on the side with a dragon. Some of the cards from their deck, I suppose. Stokes Fantasy Art again. 2010 United States Playing Card Company, and the seal. Crack that, get inside. You've got the Bicycle copyright information, and here we have a Stokes collection logo. Oh, it's an extra card. So we have an extra. We have a Joker, which is the same as the extra. We have the Stokes crying angel from the front, and we have another Joker. All three are the same. So getting into the deck itself, we've got a 1 instead of an ace, which is a bit of a pet hate of mine. But I mean, looks pretty good. I like how the black's fading into the white. Presumably all the corners are going to be white. It's quite a sharp contrast with that, but the fading in does kind of work very nicely. So with a 2, got some more fantasy art, some fairies, sort of like a rocker skull, skeleton, a dragon, a werewolf, some sort of ghost rider. Now again, as I said with the alchemy deck that I'd reviewed before, I'm not really into this sort of mismatched sort of higgledy-piggledy fantasy. See how it's gone from there's significant amount of dragons in this, and then, you know, again that's got a dragon in it, I suppose. A unicorn, back to a dragon. There's no real sort of correlation between the two. Odd unicorns and dragons throughout. And I mean, while the artwork is very, very cool, it's kind of a bit mismatched, and just a random rabbit with a pixie. You know, it's cool. The artwork's nice, but as a deck in itself, collectively, they're just it's almost like looking at someone's art portfolio, I suppose. Well, there's a whole range of pictures from a certain genre, which obviously she clearly does her artwork in, and then they're all just sort of mishmashed together. So the back there is the Stokes collection, same as we have there. And I mean, I can appreciate them for what they are. I can appreciate the fact that the artwork's pretty cool. I mean, they're just, I don't know. I think there's probably a better platform to display your art. I mean, I'm not against the deck. It's quite nice. It feels nice. It looks nice. It's just a bit mismatched for my liking. The sort of, I mean, say you had all fairies for spades, I suppose, it might make a bit more sense. Then you had all sort of dragons for diamonds, which they kind of done here. There's a lot of dragons in the diamonds, but then there's also dragons fading into all of the other suits there. So yeah, I mean, I'm not the biggest fan. Not by any means. I don't hate the deck at all. I just don't love it like I do some of the other decks in my collection. I mean, it's a shame, but, you know, art is subjective, opinions are subjective. You like something or you don't. You know, there'll be things that you tolerate, there'll be things that you really cannot stand, and this doesn't fall into that category. This falls into the, I neither dislike it nor like it, you know. It's what it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.